Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to, well, just celebrate my 1,000 subscribers. Woo! So let's get started. Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming back and visiting me today. I don't know if y'all noticed, but it wasn't too long ago I crossed that 1K subscriber mark. Yeah, isn't that freaking awesome? So you know what that means. I need to have a giveaway. But this isn't just any giveaway. I mean, I hit 1K. I need to have a good giveaway. And you know what? I think I need to have it on every platform that I'm on. Social platform. So with that in mind, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna give away. I'm not gonna give away this bag, but I'm gonna give away, there's so much yarn in here. Oh my goodness, so much yarn, so much yarn. I mean, I can't even, look at that, I can't fit it on the camera. I can't fit it all on the camera. So much yarn. I'm gonna keep it a little bit of surprise, so you guys can get a little surprise whenever you open your package, but that yarn is not going to go to all one person. The way that this is gonna work is you can enter this giveaway either on YouTube, Instagram, or my Facebook group. So you have 3 chances to win. You can enter on YouTube, Facebook group, and Instagram. Let me repeat that one more time. YouTube, Facebook group, and Instagram. I have all of that linked down below. I'm going to pull those links up to the top so you can quickly get to them, so you can enter in all 3 ways. There's 3 different ways, 3 different methods in which you can enter, and you can enter 3 times, once on each platform. Now, what does that mean? I'm going to draw 1 name from each platform. So that means there's going to be 3 winners. And then I'm going to put those winners in a hat in front of me, and I'm going to swish it all around, and I'm going to draw 1 at a time. The first name that I draw is going to be the 3rd place winner, and you're going to get 2 skeins of yarn sent to you. And then the 2nd place winner is going to get, you know, probably about a box about that big, you know, something like that. I'm not going to number the skeins because I'm going to stuff it. I'm going to stuff it. And actually, it's not a box. I use a poly envelope. So I have a large poly envelope that I usually send everything in. So it's going to be like halfway full. And that's what the 2nd prize winner is going to get. Now, I'm sorry, my cats decided to run and just try to wreak havoc in the room. So, and then the 1st place winner is going to get that polyfill envelope stuffed full of goodies. Yarn, really, those kind of goodies of yarn, and sent on to them. So there's 3 chances to win. Now, of course, if you enter on the Facebook group, you got to be a member of the group. If you enter on, because these are all subscriber appreciation giveaways. If you enter on YouTube, you do need to be a subscriber, and if you enter in IG, you do need to be following me on IG. So I have, and then of course I'm going to link it down below. Or if you are on IG, you will just go to my link in my bio, and then you can find the other links to my other channels. So I'm so excited about this. I am not going to show you any of the yarn. I know normally I get very detailed and I show you what I'm going to do. That ain't going to happen. Not today. You're going to be surprised whenever you get this giveaway. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the rules. You have until February 20th to enter this giveaway. Yeah, it's going to be one of the longer entries, but I want to make sure that everybody who has an opportunity can get to one of the different sites and enter. So you have until the 20th to enter. I will be announcing the winner on the 21st. I will post it on all platforms so that everybody, if you're not on YouTube, you'll be able to see who won, as well as if you're not on IG, and vice versa and all that. So it will be posted on all platforms. You must be 18 years or older to enter. So I do need to make sure that you're 18 years or older to enter. Also, this giveaway is void where prohibited. So if you are unable to receive prizes or gifts from the US, then please do not enter. I will have to draw somebody else if you win. If you are overseas, then I will more than likely be giving you an Amazon gift card. I'll have to see what the postage is like. If you are the third place winner, I may be able to send you the yarn in that case, but for the most likely, I will be sending you the gift equivalent through Amazon. Send you the equivalent as an Amazon gift card. So just a heads up if you're overseas and you win. So it is open internationally. I just if you are a winner overseas, I will likely not be sending you yarn. I will be sending you a gift card. And then finally, you do need to understand that YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook are not affiliated with this giveaway and are not responsible by any promises that I have made herein. So just keep that in mind and review any additional notes in my description, and so that you know that you're following all the rules. Now, what do I want to know? What do I want you to put in the notes? All right, if you're on YouTube, then I want you to answer this question. What are your yarny goals for this year? Whether it's crochet, knit, yarn itself, macrame, it doesn't matter. What are your yarny goals for this year? I would love to know. So on YouTube, please answer that in the notes down below. And on Facebook, I want to know the same thing as my YouTuber followers. I would love to know, what are your yarny goals for this year? So if you could put that in the comments down below. And that is how you will enter. And of course, you do have an opportunity to win either the third, second, or first prize. So I can't wait to see how this turns out. I am so excited. Hey, you guys, thank you so much for getting me to 1K. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Now, if you're new here and you're curious, you know what? I know she's giving away this yarn and stuff, but why would I want to subscribe to her? Well, if you like things like crochet tutorials, crochet product reviews, yarn hauls, and stuff like that, like crochet and yarny goodness, then you'll want to subscribe. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and then while you're down there, if you tap that like button, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget, coming this Saturday, I will be live at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, as I always am, to get to know my yarny community better. So please feel free to join me on Saturday. And finally, on Saturday evening, I get together with my girls, the Yarn Hookers, and we have a live, and it rotates our channels. This week it'll actually be in my channel, and we're going to be talking about chunky yarns. So please join us at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on my channel, and that would be the Yarn Hookers. So that's it for today. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. Well, I guess I can. I just did. I told you, didn't I? Didn't I? Yeah. But I can't express it accurately, how much I appreciate each and every one of you. So you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.